In this problem, we're asked to write the equation of a parallel line and a perpendicular line that goes through the point 1, 5 in point-slope form. So just to give you a visual of what we're looking for, the point 1, 5 is about right here, and we want to write an equation for the parallel line and the perpendicular line that would have a 90-degree slope. So to do that, we need to get the slope and the two coordinates that we see here. So our slope is -2/5 because we can go down 2 and right 5 and get to another point on the slope. So down 2, right 5 gives us our slope. The perpendicular slope is going to be 5/2. Notice that the sign is the opposite and the numerator and the denominator have switched. We're going to use point slope form to create this, and so we'll use our x and our y from 1 and 5, so it'll be y minus 5 equals -2/5 x minus 1. That's our parallel line. Our perpendicular line is going to be exactly the same, except it's going to have the slope as the negative reciprocal. In this problem, it didn't ask us to change it to slope-intercept form, and so we can leave it in point-slope form. All right, on the next problem, we're going to change it to slope-intercept form when we're done. So we'll do the same thing, but it'll have one additional step. So we're going to take the x and the y coordinate that they give us, and then we're going to pirate the slope from the original line. So this says write the equation of the line perpendicular to y equals 1/4 x plus 2 that passes through -2, -5 in slope-intercept form. So our slope, 1/4, we have to take the negative reciprocal, and that's going to be -4. And then we'll take our x and our y from the problem, and we'll assemble it into point slope form. So we'll have y minus -5 equals -4, x minus -2. And now all we need to do is simplify it. So we'll change the double negative to plus, and then we're going to distribute the -4 into our parentheses. So we'll get -4x minus 8, and then we just subtract 5 from both sides, and that's our final equation.